Hi everyone, welcome to the Multivendor Marketplace. In this video, we will show you how customer data masking is done by the admin and how it works for vendors. This feature ensures sensitive information stays protected while you manage your store. First, open the admin dashboard. Once the admin dashboard is open, go to Configure, then select Marketplace. In the Seller section, you will find the Can View Customer Attribute option. Enable the toggle button and click on Save Configuration. Once the configuration is saved, the seller can easily view customer details by navigating to the seller dashboard, then to Orders, on the order page where the seller can see customer details like their email address and shipping address. If the admin chooses to disable the Can View Customer option and clicks Save Configuration, once the configuration is complete, the seller cannot see customer details. Again, go to the seller dashboard, and on the product page, the seller will not be able to view any customer details. That's how customer data masking works for vendors in a multi-vendor marketplace. Thanks for watching.